Hello, this is Yai from Paris. We built Cocoding. Cocoding is like a software developer team for you. It's gonna be using AI to build for you an end-to-end software application. It's built for you backend, frontend, and mobile application in the same time. You have
So
one
what is special about what you do? It says it's from a natural language prompt.
Yeah.
You can get into production-ready software.
Exactly. So you have just to prompt. If you have an idea, you have type it in your language or in French, in Arabic, in English, and after that, our agents are going to take this in consideration and going to build your entire application for you.
So I love Bolt, Lovable,
Yeah.
all these companies doing some cool stuff.
Yes.
What is special about what you do?
What we do, for example, Lovable, they use only one framework with connected with two Superbase. This is good for prototyping, but for production, you need more complex system. And our system are going to handle this complexity and this production complexity. And we build front end and back end separately with different programming languages. We support multiple programming languages, and you own also the back end and the full code. You own it with the database and with the data. Everything is in full control and it's production ready with the enterprise grade security.
Can I see your T-shirt?
Yeah, sure.
What does it say here? One prompt, one
prompt,
SaaS in 5 minutes.
In 5
Try
minutes.
it for free.
Try it for free. Yeah, exactly.
So people can try.
Yeah, exactly. They can try it and they have credit and they can.
Is it good?
Is it very, very good? We already built some application with it and people are so happy, and we have like some people
Do you
here
have other
using.
startups use your
Sorry?
system? Do you have other startups use your system?
Yeah, we already have a startup that using that already build their applications or platform to use to hire more other people. It's a matching between a job description and.
So what is the idea with co-coding? It means you're coding with a coder?
Co-coding mean like we have like a philosophy that we say we cannot replace a human. So co-coding is gonna be a tool that exists or coexist with software developer. It's gonna help software developer increase their productivity, and this is what co-coding means. It's coexisting with the existing one.
It works?
It works.
Do you use it yourself to develop co-coding?
Sorry?
Do you use it yourself and your colleagues?
Yeah, we already
use it to make co-coding?
Exactly, we already use it for building more features in our platform, and almost we add like, for example, we support multiple programming language, and this is not coming. We are a small team, and we are producing better, and each time we are adding more feature.
You're
and
working
more,
like 100 people?
Exactly.
Yeah, and is this the UI?
Yeah, this is the UI, and as you can see here, this is like the editor where developer can already that they own the code, they can see their codes, and you have the terminal here. And the application is deployed on the cloud, you can see it directly in the preview, and you can publish directly here the applications, and it's already in production and already ready to use
Where do you
with
publish?
your customers.
Do you have the whole infrastructure for publishing?
Exactly. We already the application is already deployed in the cloud, and it's ready to be published, and it's ready to be used as a production application.
And people can even use their own domain names?
Yes, they can.
Very easy?
Exactly. It's very easy. You have just to associate the IP address that we give you to your domain name, and your application is on your domain names.
So you even manage hosting? For the project?
Exactly, because in this case, our business model also are based on the hosting. So part of our business model is a hosting.
Is that people want to keep it there for years, maybe?
Exactly, they can
pay every month for hosting. The price is okay?
The price is $20 for a VM with the 4 gigabits RAMs and 100 gigabits of storage.
And what's the price for your service?
The price is
coding.
Actually, it's $20 per month, including the hosting, including the token for generating with AI, including everything.
Including that you can use one account for the whole team, or you need one for each user?
For now, it's one for each team, and if you have like multiple teams to be used, this is like for B2B, and this has another model pricing for B2B.
One thing I wonder is Fiverr, and these kind of websites that have experts from all over the world.
Yes.
Is it possible that you can invite one of them into the project to help fix something or make something better after they use Cocoding? That is not all on AI.
Yes, this option we didn't implement it yet, but it's coming soon. We are working on that just to collaborate with other teams or with others,
to come and help.
to bring more other people and
To finalize, maybe.
exactly to finalize. And the one thing that we are working on, it's like we are going to create a marketplace for these developers to create software and share it with others, and they can sell their creation with the marketplace.
So I want one click where it not only launches the website,
Yes.
the app is hosted on Google Play, on Apple App Store.
Yes.
Everything is automatic. And maybe you have to pay the Apple App Store fee, $99 or whatever.
Yes.
And then you take care of the whole everything. Is it possible or no?
Yeah, is it possible? We didn't implement it yet. For now, we implement only the part where the mobile application has been generated, and after that, it's gonna be built, and after that, you can take the build and do it by yourself. But the whole thing automatically, we didn't implement it yet, and probably we are going to use it in the future.
And what would be cool is in every app that your customers deploy,
Yes.
that maybe there's a little chat, not just a chat bot, but maybe there's a little feature request button, something.
we already
and
have
when
that.
people, the users, send a feature request,
Yes.
you can easily actually implement
Exactly, we already have that. So we have a chat where users can ask for support here. This one. This one. You can chat with us and you can ask for support, or you go to here to your terminal, and we have like request a feature or send the feedback about.
That's to you, right?
It's to us.
But
yeah.
what I want is request a feature to my project.
To your project.
So I launch a project,
Yes.
and my users request features that I can just click, okay, let's do it. And then you just add the function.
Yeah, you can
Cocoding.
ask here in this case you can ask our multi-agent system, and they're going to build that for you, and it will be integrated automatically in your application.
So is it better than Lovable?
Yeah, it's very
sure?
better. Yeah, sure, 100% sure.
Better than Bolt?
Better than Bolt, better than Lovable, better than Replit.
Better than Cursor?
Cursor is not our direct competitor, because Cursor is an IDE and it's for auto-completion. We are a multi-agent system to build an end-to-end software application.
All right. Is there any way that you can one-click deploy on AWS, one-click deploy on Google Cloud,
or OVH,
one-click
etc.
deploy on
Exactly.
Azure? Is it possible to do that with your?
Actually, we are in discussion with the AWS and GCP to integrate that automatically with them, and we are starting just the partnership with them, and we didn't implement it yet. This is the feature that are going to come in the future.
Maybe in the future.
Yeah, in the
Because
future.
What would be cool is when I launch a project, I can maybe choose if I want to use the Google Cloud server.
Yeah, you can switch between clouds. This is a feature that is going to come in the future. We are thinking of that, but we didn't implement it
And maybe
yet.
even better would be to have a part on your hosted and with a backup if I become super popular.
Yeah.
Maybe it goes on AWS.
You can
automatically.
Yeah, automatically you can switch. But this feature we didn't implement it yet. So we are working on that to.
Because that's one thing. I have so many great ideas. I'm
Yes.
afraid that they will become popular.
Yeah.
Then when they're popular, I'm afraid it's going to crash. It's never going to work.
No.
Because, you know,
We
it
have
used to work when it's
auto-scaling.
popular project.
We have auto-scaling in our platform. It's gonna auto-scale because it's already deployed on a Kubernetes cluster, and it has auto-scaling automatically added, and that's why we charge the cost of the infrastructure. That's why we charge the cost of the infrastructure, because we can handle the charge of if you have like 1 million users.
So
for
then
your
it will be
application.
more than $20. It's more than 20
It's
euros
more
per
than
month.
$20 because
It scales.
It's gonna scale depending on the infrastructure or depend on the user that are using your applications.
And do you integrate with the payment platforms? can people develop an app that automatically receive payments?
Yes.
Stripe or whatever?
Yeah, they can do that. You have just to bring your API keys from Stripe and give it to our agents, and they are going to build
Other
everything.
payment method also?
Other payment method also at the same time. Because our agents are connected to internet and they can grab documentation from different payment system. You have just to specify which payment system and bring your API key, and our system are going to build for you.
And what do you integrate with? What do you do with the databases? Is there any what do you call it? The Fire, I forget, or the Superbase? Or
no, we don't have Superbase. We have like a PostgreSQL, which is integrated in the system, and you have full access to your database.
That's
from
the best
your
way to do database?
Exactly. This is one of the Superbase is based on PostgreSQL by definition. They use PostgreSQL. And the Superbase is not like good because it will be exposed in the internet. In our system, the database is running in your local environment. It's not exposed to the internet. The only exposition of the internet is gonna pass through Nginx and the front end that are going to expose. The only application exposed is the front end.
So there's a very nice French cloud company.
Yes.
Big cloud. What's it called?
OVH.
Amazon. You integrate with OVH?
Yeah, we already in discussion to that to integrate our solution directly with OVH, and in the future probably we are going to discuss with Scalway, which is another cloud provider in France, and we are
because you are in Paris, France. Huh?
Yes, it's in Paris.
And, with us, but you want to have customers all over the world.
Exactly.
And maybe they want to have the app or the project hosted more locally to them. Maybe you have servers already in the US or Asia or?
Actually, we are in Europe only, but with our expansion in the future, we are going to support more region in the US, probably in Asia or in Africa in the future.
So you start up here at the Web Summit.
Yes.
What are you looking for? What is the discussion you're doing here?
Actually, we are exposing we are trying to exhibit in our startup. We are trying to spread how we use our platform, and also we are looking for investors because it's been 1.5 year that we are bootstrapping our platform, and now we are also looking for more investors.
All right, so hopefully there's the right connection that you're doing,
yeah,
and that this is going to be huge, because for sure AI coding is changing the world.
Exactly, it's the future.
And if it's done in the right way, oh my God.
Exactly. This is the future. We came from low-level development with assembly, etc., to the AI coding to right now, and this is like the evolution. Probably in the future we are going to see something else, but now the future is AI coding and.
And do you support different models, or do you just choose what you prefer?
No.
Do you let users pick different price or no?
No, we don't give this, because we already testing and benchmarking different models, and we already know which model is better for a specific task. And our multi-agent system they are already connected to the model that perform better.
The best in the world.
Exactly, the best one in the world.
So that's great. So every month it gets better and better.
Yeah,
the models are getting better.
Exactly. Each time we get a model better in some specific task, we are going to use our agent to use that model, and this is giving like more productive, more better results and better solution for our customers.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.